Hi everyone! Today, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-solve ng equations that are transformable to quadratic equations. Okay? Let's have our first example. Solve x times the quantity x minus 5 equals to 36. So, at first glance, wala kayong makikita dyan na power of 2 or exponent of 2. So, meaning, sasabihin nyo, oh, hindi naman yan quadratic equation kasi wala namang power of 2 or exponent of 2. But, if you are going to try to expand this equation, you will notice that you will have a exponent of 2. Okay? O, sige, simulan natin ang solution niyan. First one, ang unang gagawin nyo dyan, okay, ang unang gagawin nyo is you are going to distribute this x doon sa quantified expression natin, which is the x minus 5. So, ang mangyayari niyan, x times x minus 5 equals to 36. Distribute natin isa-isa. Okay? So, x times x, you will have x squared. Tapos, x times negative 5, you will have negative 5x equals to 36. See? Nagkaroon kayo ngayon ng power of 2 or exponent of 2, making this equation a quadratic. Pero hindi pa siya naka-standard form. So, si 36 natin ay ililipat natin dun sa kabila. Once we transpose, we change the sign of the given. So, mangyayari niyan, x squared minus 5x minus 36 equals to 0 na ngayon. Okay? So, ngayon, we do now the factoring. Okay? Doon sa previous video natin, tinuruan ko na kayo kung paano mag-factor. Yung pinaka madaling paraan ng pag-factor. So, again, gagawa tayo ng isang malaking x dito. Yung value ng a natin dito is 1. So, automatically, gawin na natin agad yung first two factors ng x squared. That is the x times x. Okay? So, hahanapin na lang natin dito yung ipapartner natin sa dalawang x na yan to complete the factor of x squared minus 5x minus 36. So, again, nandito yung AC natin. Ang A natin is 1. Ang C natin is negative 36. So, 1 times negative 36, that is negative 36. Tapos dito, again, B natin sa baba, which is negative 5. So, ano ngayon yung factors ng negative 36 that pag pinagsama natin or pinag-add natin will give us a negative 5 answer? Okay, we have 9 and 4. Okay, so since negative 5 yan, negative, gagawin nating negative yung 9 para negative 9 times 4 is negative 36 and negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Okay, so para mas i-attach ko dito sa video na to yung factoring technique natin ng quadratic trinomial. Okay, para ma-review kayo dyan. Now, so we have two factors na ngayon, the negative 9. So, dito natin ilalagay yan. Ipapartner na natin doon. Tapos, the positive 4. So, meaning, x minus 9 and x plus 4 are the factors of x squared minus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. So, ayan. Tapos, hahatiin natin ito. Okay? So, magiging x minus 9 equals to 0. Tapos, x plus 4 equals to 0. So, we will have now the first value of x or the x of 1. Transpose natin ito dun sa kabila. Magiging positive 9. So, yan na yun. Tapos, for the second value of x, lipat natin itong positive 4 sa kabila, making it negative 4. And yan ang magiging second value natin ng x. So, we have now x of 1, 9, and x of 2, negative 4. And for our second example, no, find the roots of the quantity x plus 5 raised to 2 plus the quantity x minus 2 raised to 2 equals to 37. So, this expression, itong dalawang expression na to, is actually, we call it square of binomial. Okay? So, meron tayong 3 steps to follow just to expand these expressions. Okay? So, to expand the expression of a square of binomial, ang first step natin is you have to square the first term. Ano yung mga first term natin? We have here x for this expression. X naman para dito sa second expression natin. Okay? So, we square the first term. That is x times x. Okay? Para naman dun sa second term natin, or for the second expression I mean, that is x times x as well. Okay? Now, para sa second step natin ng square of binomial, we have to multiply the first and the second, then times 2. Again, ang second step natin ng squaring a binomial, you have to multiply the first and the second term, then times 2. So, that will be, paano yan? Plus x times 5, so that is x times 5 times 2 para dito sa x plus 5 square na yan. Para naman dito sa expression na ito, that is plus x times negative 2. Okay? So, and then, times 2. Ulitin ko, ang second step natin for squaring a binomial, multiply the first and the second term, then times 2. Okay? Now, for the third step naman, we have to square the last term. Okay? Square the last term para dito. That will be 5 times 5. Para naman sa x minus 2 square, that will be negative 2 times negative 2. Okay? So, yan na yun. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung first to third step. Then, we simplify the expression. Okay? So, that will be x times x. This will be x squared plus x times 5 is 5x times 2. That will be 10x plus 5 times 5, you have 25. Okay? So, ito na ngayon yung expanded form ng x plus 5 quantity raised to 2. Para naman dito sa x minus 2 squared, that will be x times x. This is x squared. Tapos, x times negative 2. O, take note ha. This is x times negative 2. That will be negative 2x. Times 2, it will be negative 4x. Okay? Ulitin ko lang po ito. This is x times negative 2. That will be negative 2x. Times 2, negative 4x. Para naman dito sa last term natin, negative 2 times negative 2, you have positive 4. Isama na natin ngayon yung plus na yun. This is now the expanded form of x minus 2 square. At ito naman yung expanded form ng x plus 5 quantity square. Tapos, equals to 37. Okay? Hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. Pagsasamahin natin yung mga common terms. Okay? Or like terms. For x squared, tsaka x squared. So, ilang x squared na yan? We have now 2x squared. 10x tsaka negative 4x. So, 10 minus 4, you have positive 6x. 25 plus 4, that will be 29 equals to 37. Okay? And then, 2x squared plus 6x plus 29 minus 37 equals to 0. Ano yung ginawa natin? Transpose natin the 37 making it negative 37. So, pagsamahin na natin to. So, that is 29 minus 37. That is, okay, unahin naman muna pala natin to si 2x squared. That is 2x squared plus 6x Now, 29 minus 37, that is, magkaiba sila ng sign. We subtract now. 37 minus 29, that is 8. Pero susundin natin yung sign ni negative 37 since siya yung may pinakamataas na absolute value. That is negative 8 now, equals to 0. Now, observe nyo, you have 2x squared, 6x, saka 8. They are all divisible by 2. So, pwede nating i-simplify pa yan para mas madali nating i-factor mamaya. So, this is 2 divide 2 whole. Tapos, you will have 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, you will live, it will give an answer of x squared na lang. 6 divided by 2, that is 3x. 8 divided by 2, that is negative 4 equals to 0. Okay, so we have now the simplified form. X squared plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay? And now, we do the factoring. Okay? So, again, may tinuro ako sa inyong technique. The easiest, yung pinakamadaling paraan ng pag-factor. Yung may x na ganyan, malaki. Okay? So, this is your AC. And this is your B. So, automatic, by the way, kapag yung A natin is 1, automatically, meron tayong 2 factors ng x squared. That is x tsaka x. Okay? Then equals to 0 na agad natin yan. So, AC here, your A is 1, and your C is negative 4. So, 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Tapos, for B natin, we have 3. Okay? So, ano ngayon yung ilalagay natin ng factors para sa negative 4 na pag pinagsama natin, the answer is, or kinuna natin ng sum, the answer is 3. Okay. So, we have 4 and 1. Pero ang gagawin natin, negative yung 1 para 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, nakuha nyo naman yun. So, attach na natin tong 4 na to dito, plus 4 dito, tapos negative 1 naman dito. So, hindi pa dyan tapos yung last solution natin, no? Kasi hindi pa na natin nakukuha yung roots. So, we divide. Again, hahatiin natin yan. So, this will be x plus 4 equals to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. So, we transpose this to other side of the equation. You will have now x equals to negative 4 for the first value ng x. And x, lipat itong negative 1. Magiging 1 na lang, positive 1. And this is now our second value of x. So, these are now the roots for the expression x plus 5 quantity raised to 2 plus x minus 2 raised to 2 equals to 37. Okay? And that's it.